Skids are a crucial aspect of any above-grade assembly. But before any mechanical components can be assembled on top of the skid needs to be prepped. The first step in prepping the skid is to sandblast away any surface contaminants such as mill scale, oil, or rust that tends to form on freshly manufactured steel. The skid is then power washed. It is cleaned. To dry the skid, a propane weed burner is used. It is essential to dry the skid as quickly and as thoroughly as possible to avoid rusting. A rust inhibitor is then sprayed to further prevent any flash rust. Finally, the skid is ready for 2 coats of Tnemic L69 industrial coating. This 2-part epoxy is used for protection and finishing of the steel. It has excellent resistance to abrasion and is suitable for immersion as well as chemical contact exposure. A skid-mounted pumping station prepped by Romtec Utilities is prepared for decades of reliable service